Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup with some things that I found at TJ Maxx and Marshall's over the weekend. And if you haven't been there in a while, it's like a treasure hunt. You know, you walk in there and at first it's just a bunch of open, boxed, broken, swatched things. But the more you look and really scrutinize what's there, sometimes you'll find something that is in perfect condition, that has not been swatched or dropped or whatever, and you can save a ton of money and get something for much, much less than what you would have paid for it. Hey guys, so this is me from the future with the look that I'm going to talk about done. Somehow I lost my footage of applying the makeup and I cannot start all over again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through what I did. So I used Bare Minerals bronzer in Warmth. I set my cheek area with Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Brightening and Setting Palette in the shade Lilac from this palette. And those two products I had gotten on previous trips to TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And then this next product I'm going to show you was the first thing that I found over the weekend. This is the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in Incandescence, and I used this as a blush lighter. It is a beautiful peachy pink color, similar to like NARS Orgasm or Milani Luminoso. This was such a good find because I paid $10, but you can still see this on Ulta's website for $34. So this was a great find. And then I did my eye look with Glamlite Hershey's Kisses Milk Chocolate with Almonds palette, which looks like this. And this is what the palette looks like. Now, I paid $10 for this, and it was originally $18 at Glamlite. So I got this for about 50% off. Really cute packaging. And then the third thing that I found was the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in Penny Lane. And now I am going to resume the footage that didn't get accidentally deleted. So this video is going to kind of be all over the place, but this is the best I can do at this point to try to tie it all together. So I think the next piece of footage you're going to see is me talking about this eyeliner 27. If you go on the Ulta website right now, you will see this product for $27. And yeah, I got it at TJ Maxx for $8.99. So I got it for 1/3 of the price that Ulta is selling it for. And this color is called, let's see, where is it? Hello? Penny Lane. So it's like a copper brown, gorgeous. And the funny thing is, I have a cool brown eyeliner, but my warm brown eyeliner had to be thrown out because of its age like a while ago. And I've been on the hunt to get a warm brown eyeliner, and I saw this yesterday and I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. So what I did was, because the box, you know, could be opened, it wasn't sealed or anything, so I brought it home. I took a cotton ball with a very high percentage of alcohol, and then I just went like this onto the cotton ball with the alcohol, because I don't know if somebody swatched this at the store. So I sanitized it, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And so it should be safe to use now. So I'm going to just put this right like in, not my waterline, but my lower lash line. But this is exactly the warm brown that I've been looking for. So the timing on that was perfect. So I don't know if this is old stock that TJ Maxx and Marshalls is selling, or if they are products that are going to be discontinued, or colors that are going to be discontinued. I don't know what to think, but I find it strange that Ulta is still selling some of these things when they're at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So if you've ever wanted to try this eyeliner, they have, this was the only color that I saw. Oh, wait a minute. No, I may have seen a black one too. I'm not sure. You know, there's so many things to look at when you go to these stores that it's hard to remember everything that you saw for brands and colors and formulas. So I'm kind of blending this as I'm applying it. Okay. So I finally have a warm brown eyeliner again. Smashbox. Yeah, I never tried a Smashbox eyeliner before, so that's kind of cool that it's self-sharpening like that. So now I can get rid of the box now that I've told you the price. Okay. So I am going to shut off the camera and I'm going to curl my lashes and what am I going to do for mascara today? I don't have a mascara sitting next to me. Yes, I do. I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Panorama mascara today just because, you know, I have a few mascaras, so I should be trying to put different ones in rotation. So I'm going to use this, and then we'll come back and we'll do some lip products, okay? Okay, so lashes are curled, mascara is on, and this is a nice mascara. That's what that looks like. All right, so what's left? Lips. So on my lips today, I'm going to start by using the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in the shade Red the Scene. And I'm going to line my lips. I feel like if you're going to do red lipstick, that doing it with a warm eye look like this is the way to go. And I told you in a previous video that I was going to show you this lipstick in an upcoming makeup tutorial what it looked like. This is the B.Pure Clean Beauty Classic Red Bullet Lipstick from Dollar Tree. And it is a bright red lipstick. And it's a satin formula. Wow, that is very, very bright. But yeah, I feel like if I'm going to do a red lipstick, Warm Eyes is the way to go. I think they pair nicely together. So I got some really super deals this weekend on makeup. Um, TJ Maxx and Marshalls. You have to have the patience to really look though and make sure that, what you're getting is not damaged, swatched, whatever. And so sometimes it's very hard to find anything that doesn't fall into that category, but you can save so much money on, more expensive brands. If I can stay within my $10 and under budget by doing that, great. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye, guys.